Well, unfortunately, yun nga yung sanction. Well, we felt na talagang grabe naman siguro yung binigay na sanction, pero it is what it is. Okay, yun yung nakita ng board, so we respect that. Pero ang mabigat yun, but then yun nga, we're gonna positive pa rin kami. We're gonna look at this as a challenge and an opportunity for us to really grow as a team. Yun lang.
Coach, may message ba si Coach Chris sa inyo for this coming game?
Just play without fear. Yun lang talaga. Kahit yun nga, dami nangyari. Mga unfortunate events. Pero, lalaban lang kami at tulog.
Players nyo ngayon since yun nga, mga circumstances around the team?
Hindi natin maiwasan, mababa talaga moral yung ibang players. Okay? But then we try to manage it. Kung papansin mo again, ulitin ko yung mga roomies namin. Okay? Handa sila maglaro. I'm very proud of them. So, tuloy-tuloy lang kami. Hopefully, we get something out of this cookies. Talagang ibibigay namin to kasi nakita namin na talagang lalaban sila for you. Okay?
Coach, bukod sa mga rookies nyo, ano po mga silver linings yung nakuha nyo for this first round? Silver linings, Coach, for this first round?
Siguro yung si Precious and John. We want a good exit for John din. Si John yung pinaka-consistent sa amin ngayon. Yun nga, pero ang ganda ng game plan. Siguro FU wasn't able to produce. Pero we're still focused na and hopeful na talagang maglalaro pa rin ng maayos si John. And look at si Precious last game. He scored what? 42. Okay, unfortunately yun nga, natalo nga kami. But then, andun ibig sabihin kaya namin. We were competing. Yun naman yung pinakamalagay effort na doon. Diba? So, we're just gonna be positive pa rin. We're gonna keep our heads up high. No? Hindi kami mababa ang moral namin. Okay? We're gonna keep on fighting hanggang dulo.
Coach, was it good for the first few games ng second round? Wala muna si Coach